Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hub. Today we will be factoring the polynomial to solve the equation 2x to the power of 4 minus 8 equals to 0. So let's write down our equation minus 8 equals to 0. So to solve this, the first thing we should do is take out 2, and then we have x4 minus 4 equals to 0. Then, do you remember the formula a squared minus b squared can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So over here we can say that a is equals to x to the power of 4 under root and b is equals to 4 under root, which basically gives us a equals to x squared and b equals to plus and minus 2. Therefore, we can write this down as 2 times x squared plus 2 into x squared minus 2 equals to 0. And then we can solve for x, right, to get the answer. The roots are, to get the roots, so which will get x squared plus 2 equals to 0. But this is the factored form. We'll just further simplify this. X squared minus 2 equals to 0, which gives us x squared is equals to minus 2 and x squared equals to positive 2. And taking the square root on both sides, this is not possible. So this is x is equals to undefined or not possible. And then we have we take the under root on both sides, which gives us x is equals to under root 2. That's our final answer, and this is our factored form. Thank you for joining us. I hope to see you in the next lesson.